In this video, I'm going to show you how to contact a Bluesky social customer support team. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so what we need to do is open up Bluesky. And now once you open her up, we need to click onto the three horizontal bars on the top left-hand corner of the page. And now we're inside kind of where our settings, search, home, chat tabs are. From here, we need to go ahead and click onto where it says help at the bottom of the page. And now once we're here, click on search and then type in customer support. And now because these big, large companies can make it difficult to reach their customer support team. So if we scroll down here, it will say under password reset, I've got an email here that we can use. So it's called support@bsk.app. So you can give them an email and say, hey, I would like to speak to one of your customer support team members. So probably that's one of the best emails to contact Bluesky. But I'll try another website. It's called pissconsumer.com. So this site is great for finding hard to reach emails or phone numbers of companies. So now let's have a look to see if Bluesky is on this app. So I'm going to do a search, type in Bluesky. All right, so Bluesky, it doesn't look like they've got any business on here at the moment. This could be it here. Yep, Bluesky. So they've only got 2 rated reviews, so I'm not too sure how trustworthy this could be. So if we go to reviews, contacts, click out of the ad. If we scroll down here, well, you might be lucky. So yeah, they've got a customer service number you can call, or you can click on the call customer service number, or you can send them a message directly. And if we scroll down more, we've got more phone numbers and emails. So we've got a customer service email, general info email, legal and media. So that's a few different ways how you can contact Bluesky customer service or customer support team.